Alright, so we're going to start the first Quideo of the new semester for AP Statistics. So we're going to start with the basic question, and it says, in 1993, Forbes magazine reported the age and salary of the chief executive officer of each of the top 59 small businesses. Here are the salary data rounded to the nearest $1,000. So the first thing I did was I highlighted what I needed to do to answer the question completely. So first I need to construct a histogram for the data, then describe the shape, center, and spread of the distribution of the CEO salaries, and say if there were any apparent outliers. So to start my histogram, I needed to find my classes and how many counts were in each of my classes. And as you can see up at the top, that is my breakdown. Then I labeled my X and Y axis. My x-axis was the CEO salaries in the thousands, then my y was the number of CEOs. Then according to how many counts were in each class, I just graphed them. And the main thing about histograms that are different from bar graphs are the bars are actually touching each other. So now we're going to talk about the shape, center, spread, and outliers, which we also know as SOX. So the shape of the salaries of the 59 CEOs is skewed to the right, as we can see, because that's where the tail ends up. We can see the center of the salaries by the median of $350,000. Then the spread of the salaries will be seen by the 5-number summary. So the way that I found the 5-number summary was I put all of the data into the calculator, and then I went to stat, over to calc, then you do 1 var stat. And so since I only have one list of data, I just hit enter, enter, enter again. And there it gives me, I scroll down, and here is my 5-number summary. So right here, it gives me my minimum of $21,000. My first quartile is at $250,000. The median is at $350,000. The third quartile is at $543,000. And the max is $1,103,000. So that's what your 5-number summary is made up of: the minimum, the maximum, quartile 1, quartile 3, and the median. So the last part we need to answer is, were there any outliers? And in this problem, there is only one outlier, and that would be the $1,103,000 salary. And we can also note that there was a gap.